If you missed the Texas Irrigation Association CEU Day 2025, you can see the portion that I was able to do down in the description below, the 4 absolutes of a good sprinkler system. I had the opportunity to do a 1-hour training on what I call the 4 absolutes of a sprinkler system. Through my experiences of designing, installing, and working on sprinkler systems, I've determined that there is 4 areas, 4 things, 4 components, the 4 absolutes, that's what I like to call them, of a sprinkler system. It's the design, installation, programming, and maintenance. Everything you do for a sprinkler system can fit into one of these categories. And it's very important that you get them all right. In fact, if you get just one of these things wrong, you have the potential of having a bad sprinkler system. Well, I have the replay of the portion that I did. It's in the description below. And so I want to encourage you, go down there and check it out. And I walk through each one of these 4 absolutes, give you some tips on how to make sure you're doing it right, and really just give you a base knowledge of what goes into a good sprinkler system. Links in the description below. I'll see you over there in that training.